Did you know that embodying your intuition begins with intention? Start your intuitive practice by setting the intention to open up more fully to your intuition, and crystals can help you with this. Start by programming a quartz crystal with the intention to aid you on your journey to intuitive development. Quartz crystal points work great for this, but any type of shape or formation will do. Then consciously create an intention or affirmation statement. It can be simple and generalized, or really specific to your intuitive journey. Allow your crystal to help guide your words. Hold the crystal against your brow and ask it to help support your intuitive development. Repeat your affirmation aloud or silently to yourself a few times until you feel that you've embodied that energy. Then keep your crystal nearby anytime you're doing intuitive work to amplify your connection to your inner guidance.